Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to Forza Horizon 6.
Invalid gaming services detected. Forza Horizon 6 must be invalid gaming service.
Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to Forza Horizon 6. Now, my first experience yesterday was, even though it said it was coming out May 18th, it didn't. Or it was 10 p.m. and I was probably asleep. So when I tried to run it this morning at 6 a.m., I got up. I'm like, let's go. I got an error message. Incorrect gaming system, I think it was called. I had to look that up. There's videos all over the place already about this. So it's a Microsoft Store, Microsoft account error. So I did not have Microsoft gaming system installed, and I had to watch a couple videos until I found a good one that made sense to me and had to install that software. Boom, and now it got right in. So it's loading it for the very first time. This is Japan. Mount Fuji in the background there. So last time we were in Mexico, Forza Horizon 5, and I loved it, although I ran out of steam after a while. The racing just got repetitive for me. It was a different car, same tracks. Yeah, I don't know. That's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, man. And once I discovered all the roads and all the signs and all the treasures, that's when I kind of lost interest. So I don't know. I'm hoping this will hold my attention just a little bit longer. There's an entire country to explore here as well, and I have heard that it's actually the entire country. So I'm not sure how they compress it.
Failed.
Oh no.
An error occurred while trying to load your save.
Another error.
You can go back. A button select. Press A button to start. Press X button for accessibility.
So first try yesterday, not available yet. Second try, Microsoft's software problem. Third try on the 19th today. Save problem. Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Load failed.
It is a load failed.
Error occurred while trying to load your save data.
Yep. Boo you. Let's see, let's see if I can get out of there. Let's run it from, I guess this is the Xbox thing. Maybe you have to run it from the Xbox. Maybe. See, here's the thing. I always think Microsoft is trying to make it so you have to go through them and you can't go through Steam. So they put something in it to make it so you have to open up the Microsoft Store, which of course they would want you to. Watch it work now. Because if you have to go to the Microsoft Store where you can see games, other games, and DLCs every time you play, instead of just going to Steam, they control your wallet and your purchase choices. So let's just see. I don't know. I don't think I did anything different there. Other than, let's see. It's going to have to go through the same cycle again. Take us 30 seconds to find out, but I'm not really feeling it's going to fix it. Only thing I did different there is run it from the Xbox hub, I guess, if you want to call it that. So I have to wait again. I try not to get impatient on the loads because it's a massive game. There's so much there. So, 30 seconds is really not asking a lot. I'm old enough that I used to load games off of cassettes into a Commodore 64 and had to use DOS to run the program, and it would take a long time to open up a very basic game. So pretty cool actually that I had the chance to do that. So load times, it's all relative, I guess. So with the amount of graphics and gaming and information in this game, it should be a half hour or an hour, but it's 30 seconds or whatever, so it's okay. Load. We kind of like things instantaneously these days, so we want it to start now. We want to open up our streaming service like Netflix or whatever. We want to open our app and we want to start now. We want everything to be now, which we're getting close, but instantaneous is quite a ways away, I think, for most things. All right, I'm trying to remember exactly.
Load failed. An error occurred while trying
All right,
to load
well,
your saved data.
thanks for joining me. I've got some work to do. Another on Forza Horizon 6. Not good luck. I hope to play this sometime soon.
Please visit support.
Catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.